Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to install Sharp Smart TV stand leg. Okay, to install the TV stand, you need to put your TV on the flat surface to the corner of your table so you can access the TV stand and connect it to your TV. And on each side of the stand you will find out this mark, right? And you will find the letter on the bottom of your TV. This one is the right connection, so you need to connect left to left and right to right. Okay, now let's connect it. Okay, after we input all the screw to the TV, now you can put your TV stand up on the table as we use the normal TV stand on the table. Okay, now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can install the TV stand on the Sharp Smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.